Hi, I'm Xiao Xiao. Welcome to my channel, Xiao Xiao Yarn. I do prefer using recycled fabric for my crafts, but this bolt of very special Japanese cotton fabric, Sarashi, is just irresistible for me. This stiff and gauzy fabric, woven with 100% cotton web thread, is perfect for embroidery and is very durable, fast to dry, and the more you use it, the softer and more water absorbent it becomes. It is the most perfect material for the Japanese sashiko stitched kitchen cloth, Hanafukin. So today I'd like to share with you how to prepare your Hanafukin from Sarashi. Step 1. Measure the fabric. This 10-meter bolt of Sarashi I have is 34.5 cm in width, with selvages on both sides. Traditionally, Hanafukin is square and is sashiko stitched with 2 layers of fabric. So fold the fabric diagonally, then fold it again. Now you have the length twice as the width. Then I'm going to leave just a little bit more than 1 cm of fabric for the seam. Step 2. How to cut Sarashi. You don't cut Sarashi directly with scissors because the fabric can be easily distorted. Firstly, cut through the selvage. You'll find there is a little piece of thread sticking out. Pull the thread carefully till you reach the other end. Cut through the selvage on this side, and now you can easily pull the thread out. See, a very clear gap just got created. Cut along this guideline. Apply a lot of steam with an iron to get rid of the folds. So now, this is the piece of Sarashi you need for Hanafukin. Step 3. Sew the seam. Your fabric may look the same from both sides, but if you touch it, you'll find one side is actually smoother than the other, and this is your right side. Fold your fabric into half, right side in, wrong side out. Stretch the fabric from center outward can help even out the shape as much as possible. Then fold diagonally, make a mark at the edge, draw a line, and secure the 2 layers with pins. You want to use regular cotton thread with the same color of the fabric. For showing purposes, I'm going to use this pink thread. Measure the thread with the length of the edge, add another 15 centimeters, and make it double. Start a couple of centimeters towards the edge. Make 2 loops here so the 2 layers of fabric stay together. Then sew towards the other side, overlapping the existing stitches. You can find the supplies used in this video in the description. Stop till you reach the other end. Smooth out the fabric and make 2 loops on this side too. Then sew back by overlapping a few stitches. Press the seam open with an iron and turn the fabric inside out. Press the other side. If you use the same color thread, your seam should be invisible. Congratulations! Your Sarashi for Hanafukin is prepared. Now you can draw and sew your beautiful sashiko pattern on it. If you find this video helpful, please like and share it with your friends or groups on social media. More sashiko and Hanafukin tutorials are coming. Please subscribe and click the notification button. Happy stitching! See you soon!